that, 2 Avenue Spokane, advising traffic to the east of this intersection is blocked. Rescue 1 will be Spokane Command.
Rescue 1 Spokane. Spokane Command, traffic to the east is blocked. Do you need SFD for traffic control?
Dispatch, Rescue 1, code green, our medic unit is obvious DOA. We have PD on scene. Advise that we'll probably have the rail line shut down. Can you advise BNSF, make sure they know the main line here is shut down?
Okay, medic 32, code green, acknowledge.
Medic 32, code green.
Rescue 1, we are advising BNSF that the main line is closed down.
Dispatch, Rescue 1, place 814 in service.
Okay, Rescue 1, 814 in service. Rescue 1, acknowledge.
Rescue 1.
Rescue 1, be advised, we've been unable to reach BNSF, so the line is still open. Working to get it closed down momentarily.
Rescue 1, okay.
Rescue 1, acknowledge.
Rescue 1.
We'll send units to the mile markers to the north and south of your location to act as eyes on the tracks until we can get them shut down.
Negative on that. We'll just keep everybody clear of the tracks. There's no emergency operations going on at this point.
Okay, Rescue 1.
I just heard something on the radio. I hope it doesn't affect us, but I'm not sure where they were talking about. Somewhere there's a body on the tracks. Yeah. Watch on 1405, Foreman Emick. You got any flags up still for northbound movement, over?